Ever wondered why people snore? Snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. This causes the tissues in your throat to vibrate, creating that familiar snoring sound. Several factors can lead to snoring. It could be due to the anatomy of your mouth and sinuses, alcohol consumption, allergies, a cold, or your sleep position. For some, snoring may just be a harmless annoyance, but for others, it could indicate a serious condition called sleep apnea, which requires medical attention. Try sleeping on your side or using special pillows to reduce snoring. Have more questions? Jump into the chat below.